the door. Hey, drop it. Drop that. Get back. And they're going to back up 14 miles again. 6-3 South Peter Street. Get back, Mario. Over here. Then 3 have units respond southbound from Gage. We're going to be the second property on the west side of the street. Suspect's going to be inside of the vehicle. Hey, drop the gun!
Units responding to the backup response southbound from Gage.
Drop it!
On the second property on the west side. Suspect is inside the vehicle.
Let's see your hands! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun on the ground! Drop the gun! Hey, drop it! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
G20 goes north 6 on over.
Hey! Hey!
20, roger.
Hey, just redeploy to cover. He's still in the back seat.
Sliding over to the passenger side.
He's climbing over. Hey, redeploy to the car, partner. To that car. Yeah. Hey, hands up!
Hey, drop the gun!
Step out with your hands up. There you go. It's here.
It's in the back.
Oh, he's got it. I think you're still good there.
It's
He's
in
good.
hand.
Drop the gun on the ground.
G20. Have officers continue to respond.
Toronto 220 is still requesting units to respond 6-3 South over. Respond southbound from Gage.
Drop the gun on the. Leave the gun in the car. Step out with your hands up. Step out with your hands up.
Everything was left.
Step out of the vehicle with your hands up. Step out.
Yeah, we got 2.
Step out. Drop that on the ground. Drop it.
Delta 20.
Drop it on the ground.
Responding. Block.
Drop it on the ground.
2 units.
Put that down.
Street south.
Put it down.
Gage.
Put it down.
Toronto 220 is requesting responding units to block Hoover at Gage and requesting 2 units 2 streets south of Gage.
Hey, drop that on the ground.
220.
You want to try Spanish? You want to try Spanish real quick?
Hey, we got a Spanish speaker?
So I want to try Spanish real quick.
Manos arriba. Tira la pistola. Manos arriba. Tira la pistola.
Tell him to drop all that.
Tira la pistola. Tira que
Left hand, left hand,
tiene
left
sus
hand.
manos. Para ahí. Para ahí. Para ahí. Stop. Stop. Para ahí. Para ahí. Para ahí.
You got the.
Para.
Where's the?
Párate. Párate. Tira con todo lo que tengas en la mano. Tira la pistola. Tira la pistola en el suelo. Tira la pistola. Tira la pistola, manos arriba. Tira la pistola. Tira la pistola, Rita. Pon la pistola en el suelo.
Nope. Don't point that thing.
Déjalos ver las manos. Tira la pistola.
Still requesting
Tíralo.
over 1 Street south of Gage.
Pon la pistola en el suelo. Pon la pistola en el suelo. Tira la pistola. Tíralo. Tira la
I got
pistola.
the 40.
Hey, 40, stand by.
Te vamos a disparar.
Left, left.
Tira la pistola. Tira la pistola ahorita. Tíralo. Tíralo. Pon la pistola en el suelo.
Keep going with the command.
Ponlo en el suelo ahorita. No, tíralo. Tíralo ahorita.
You're gonna hit him
Hey,
again.
pistola.
40, stand by. 40, stand by.
Down. Over at Gage.
He's right in the way of the gate.
Pon la pistola en el suelo. Ponlo en el suelo. Drop it. Tíralo. Tíralo. Te vamos a disparar ahorita. Tíralo ahorita.
One more. 40, stand by.
Tíralo otra vez. Tíralo. Tíralo.
Nice point. Hey, are we gonna approach?
Stand by.
Direction over south of Gage. Alternating south over south of Gage. All officers are accounted for.
Hey, vamos, allá vos.
Don't reach! Hey, let him know not to reach.
¡No vayas por la pistola! ¡No vayas por la pistola ahorita! ¡No la toques! ¡No toques la pistola! ¡No toques la pistola!
Over south of Gage. Code Robert over south of Gage.
Hey, we got a shield?
He's still moving. He's still moving.
Subject has gunshot wound. Do I have a code?
¡No toques la pistola!
Toby 57 RA is en route 12 to 20 feet.
Where's the shield at?
Shield's coming up!
Hey, shield's coming up under the hole.
Glove up!
Who's got gloves?
Get up there.
Hey,
¡No
you
toques
got
la
shield, you wanna go? I'm
pistola!
gonna switch out.
¡No se mueve!
And Harrington, anybody next to you,
Gun out. Gun out. Our less lethal's out.
All right, no, we got taser,
Taser.
everything.
I give him my gun is
Hang on a second, we're gonna
out
go.
of his hand. Volume.
¡No toques la pistola! ¡No se mueven!
5. The weapon is past the knee of the suspect.
I'm quite pretty close to shoulder.
Let us know when you guys are all ready. That's good. All right.
Be tight with that tube in there.
No mueves, no te mueves.
You hold on the car. Hold on the car. You hold on the body area.
Northbound traffic over.
No te mueves, no se mueves. No se mueves.
32, Roger.
RE25 responding.
Holding traffic, not enough tape. You want to pull him back by his leg? I can't see the gun.
Closed off from Gage all the way to
The gun's by his legs. Yeah, we're gonna have to. You don't want to drag him by the
Yeah,
I'll
Area
step on
team,
it.
we'll get some more units reported in the hole so that gas traffic is up.
So this one is requesting units Hoover and Gage and 2 streets down to start with update.
Tíralo ahorita.
One more. 40, stand by.
Tíralo otra vez, tíralo. Tíralo.
Hey, he's 20. Hey, are we gonna approach?
Stand by. Tíralo ahorita.
40, stand by.
Tíralo otra vez, tíralo. Tíralo. Tíralo ahorita.
One more. 40, stand by.
Tíralo otra vez, tíralo.
Hey, he's pointing. Hey, he's pointing towards. Stop reaching! Don't hold the gun!
Tira la pistola.
Requesting units to
Tell
shut
him to
down the
drop all
street.
that.
Tira la pistola. Tira que tiene que ser tus manos.
20, do me a favor.
Para ahí, para ahí, para ahí. Stop.
Stage on
Stop. Para ahí,
north of Gage.
para ahí. Para ahí.
20 Hoover north of
Para.
Gage 50.
Párate. Párate. Tira con todo lo que tienes en la mano. Tira la pistola. Tira la pistola en el suelo. Tira la pistola. Váyanse para adentro.
Somebody get ready to beam that. You need to get from there.
Tira la pistola, manos arriba. Tira la pistola. Tira la pistola ahorita. Pon la pistola en el suelo.
Need one more unit on Hoover. 2 streets or 1 street south of Gage.
Hey, don't point that thing.
Déjanos ver las manos. Tira la pistola.
Still requesting 1
Tíralo.
Hoover, 1 street south of Gage.
Pon la pistola en el
Still
suelo.
responding to speed.
Pon la pistola en el suelo. Tira la pistola.
Do we have a beam bag?
Tíralo. Tira la pistola.
40.
Hey, 40, stand by.
Te vamos a esperar.
Everybody
Hey.
get ready.
Hey, hey, drop that gun, man.
Tira la pistola.
Hey, drop it.
Tira la pistola ahorita. Tíralo. Tíralo. Pon la pistola en el suelo.
Keep going with the command.
Ponlo en el suelo ahorita.
With a 40.
No, tíralo. Tíralo ahorita. El pistola.
40 stand by. 40 stand by.
Down. Hoover engaged.
He's right in the way of the gate.
Pon la pistola en el suelo. Ponlo en el suelo. Hey, drop it. Tíralo. Tíralo. Te vamos a disparar ahorita. Tíralo ahorita.
One more. 40, stand by.
Tíralo otra vez. Tíralo. Tíralo.
Point it.